Yeah, folks, it finally happened after, I don't know, years and years of drone footage. We sunk our drone today, and that is a real bummer. We're going right now through all the stages of grief, right? I was trying to bring her back into the boat, and on final approach we hit the flag post of Old Glory. And it took not even a second before the lake took her, and she was gone. So, no more drone footage, and the most painful part about that is that the drone footage we had on this ship was actually amazing. It was perfect. Boat under full canvas, clipping along with 5 knots, and now we sunk it. So that's a bit painful, really. It will take a while to get over this. We'll get a new one though, hopefully. We'll see. Right, you guys, we're heading over now to the Apostle Islands, and the ship is doing great. Let's see what the knot meter says. We are almost at hull speed here at 6.3 is hull speed. 6.5 is fine. And yeah, so far all is well. We got 5 to 10 knots of wind today. It's south-southwest, so it's kind of ideal. At some point we might have to be a little bit into it, but that remains to be seen, because the forecast says the wind is shifting south, which will be straight dead on the nose. So as you know, that is a no-wind zone, a no-go zone, so we would have to crisscross a little bit, but for now all is well. We are close enough. Still we have I'd say 45 degrees wind vector right now, which is easy to handle, and the boat is doing very well. Autopilot is steering, and yeah, so far so good. Inside?
Yeah.
So the wind kind of turned straight onto the nose. We didn't want to crisscross around too much here, so we are steaming right now into the Apostle Islands. We have Devil's Island inside over there with the lighthouse. So I hope not much longer than about an hour, and we can drop the hook between Rocky Island and Southern Twin Islands. That should be about 10 to 15 feet deep, so we can put out a good scope for overnight. 1 to 7 I think is probably minimum for overnight, and we'll see that we put a little bit more out than that. I have 150 feet rope and plus 10 or 15 foot chain, and a well oversized roll bar anchor with a plow, so that should probably be plenty good for this boat here. Yeah, those are the Apostle Islands. The Apostle Islands are an archipelago here in Lake Superior on the Wisconsin side down here, and it consists out of 20 islands, and only one of these islands is inhabited, and that would be Madeline Island. All the other ones are there's nobody living on them, but they are lighthouses though. So we'll see that we land with our dinghy and explore the beaches a little bit. That should be fun. Here you can see we're taking course now. We're on course for Devil's Island. So that's this one here. We'll pass by and then come around Rocky Island and anchor within between Rocky Island and South Twin Island. Right there. That would be the plan. Okay, we just dropped the hook and I'm steaming it in now, 2000 RPMs reverse for about a minute. I don't know if you can see it, line goes in right there. And we have a scope of 1 to 10, so that should be plenty good for the night.
It's too hot.
Oh, we open all the hatches here. So we have reached our anchorage. And here we are, between the beautiful Apostle Islands. This here is on this side Rocky Island, and then the smaller Southern Twin Island. We're right within between. Beautiful.
Yeah, it is beautiful.
Coconuts in there. What a lucky coincidence.
Waves crashing, sun shining, sailing through the sea, feeling fine. Anchoring the Apostle Islands. With you, my heart feels so silent. Island breeze whispering through the trees. We're as free as the birds and the bees. Sand between our toes and the seagulls flying high, oh so grand. Anchoring the Apostle Islands. With you, my heart feels so silent. Island breeze whispering through the trees. We're as free as the birds and the bees. Stars above, painting the night. Our love shining oh so bright. Anchoring the Apostle Islands. With you, my heart feels so silent. Island breeze whispering through the trees. We're as free as the birds and the bees. Anchoring in the Apostle Island. With you, my heart feels so silent. Island breeze whispering through the trees. We're as free as the birds and the bees. We're as free goes hand in hand. Seagulls flying high, oh so grand. Anchoring in the Apostle Islands. With you my heart forever finds peace and love in the island breeze.
So our night in the Apostle Islands is over. It was a little bit bumpy and breezy, but it was clear, so beautiful. And we are making good clip right now. Going home, sailing on a beam reach. So guys, we just hailed the Michigan Trader. It's a big freighter. Look how close she is. So she's coming straight towards us. We have been in contact with the captain on the bridge. He said he will slow down, alter course. It seems to work out just fine. He is now crossing behind us, but if you talk about close, that is how close looks like.
That is close. Right?
So I hailed the captain on 16 and he told me he will monitor 16. So yeah, now I can even read his name. I was trying to see that through the binoculars for a while. So all is well. The Michigan Trader knows we are here and we are clear of his waters now, so it should be okay. Yeah, so we are clear of the Michigan Trader and Carolina's battling black flies. Excuse me. They've been bugging us last night. Absolutely relentless. Horrible, horrible amounts of black flies. They're eating us alive out here. So we're doing decently 6 knots with full sails. Boat is heeling about 15-20 degrees. Everything is really good right now. We had to put the first reef in earlier because we got surprised by some gusts came out of nowhere. And Carolina is still battling the black flies. It's unbelievable. I mean, the whole boat is full of them and they bite. Very unpleasant.
Waves crashing, feeling inferior. Wind blowing through my hair. Legendary waters beyond compare. Legendary waters, take me away on this journey. I will stay sailing on, feeling so free. Legendary water calling out to me. Legendary waters
Alright you guys, replacement has arrived. Thank you very, very much. That's totally awesome. Show must go on. That's a new drone. And I kiss her goodbye already. Bye drone. Because every time I launch a drone from a boat, I mean you have to expect to lose the drone. The good thing is the Mini 4K is probably the most affordable drone out there right now that gives you 4K footage. That's actually an upgrade from our old drone. But yeah, she doesn't have much for safety sensors, which is good because I need her to come back to the boat. But she has two safety sensors underneath the drone right here. I know those two eyes there, if you can see them. And if you reach your hand underneath it, she obviously goes up, so it's kind of from up front, and I don't know how to turn them off really. I bet there's an option to do that. Haven't figured that out yet. So yeah, there's so much that can go wrong here. It isn't even funny. I mean, yeah, that's why I'm a little bit nervous, but we'll give it a shot, I guess. Yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, as you can see here is the footage of the new drone, unfortunately a little bit overexposed, so therefore we decided to order some filters for it along with rotor guards and floaties. If you guys have any useful tips on how to fly a drone safely back into a sailboat, please feel free to drop a comment. Would love to hear about it. As always, thanks for watching and we hope to catch you on the next one. Cheers!